Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how to use ChatGPT in Italy. So I will show you exactly how to do this. So first of all, you just need to get a VPN whose link I have shared in this video's description. This is named as the NordVPN and you will get 63% off on the NordVPN. So this is a highly recommended VPN to use ChatGPT in the Italy. So you must get this VPN. So once you get this VPN, you have to just connect the server of this VPN with any of the other country. I will recommend the server of the Paris for you. Once you're done, you have to just click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on the settings. And here in the left menu, click on the About Chrome option and try to check for the update. If any update is available for your browser, it will automatically update your browser. And then click on the Privacy and Security in the left menu and then click on the Clear Browsing Data. And here in the advanced tab, in the time range, select for all time and select for these all options here and then click on the clear data. Wait for completing this process, and after this you have to just restart your ChatGPT and you will be able to use the ChatGPT in Italy without any problem. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be quite helpful for you. For more information, visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.